Findings have shown sharing and showing to be two main activities for the young generation. Based on a user study on the behavior of young consumers, we have utilized existing mobile technologies to design a new social networking platform, BuddyOn, that provides three main features targeting young consumers: the sharing of new purchases, event planning, and group offers. These applications are provided by BuddyOn's OnList, OnGroup, and OnSplit. BuddyOn's OnList service provides recommendations on the latest trends in fashion based on data gathered from personal accounts and past pursuits. BuddyOn's OnGroup provides notifications about pertinent group deals, allowing users to save money on frequently visited venues. BuddyOn's OnSplit provides a tool to calculate individual contributions during a meal gathering based on differing levels of discounts in the group. Tiffany has many different friend groups and social networking accounts. Tiffany wakes up Saturday morning to find a new BuddyOn notification. "It's your boyfriend's birthday! Remember to buy him a gift!" Tiffany logs into her BuddyOn account to plan out her weekend activities. BuddyOn provides a seamless tool to integrate the friend groups and services from various social networking platforms used by the young generation, such as Kaixin, Renren, Facebook, Douban, QQ, and others. BuddyOn intelligently searches through Tiffany's account information and her friends' shopping records to provide 5 personally tailored suggestions on the hottest new trends in fashion. Tiffany picks one of the recommendations and posts it on her BuddyOn account. There, her friends can view her updates and provide comments. Tiffany is delighted to find that one of her friends has just recently purchased a pair of L brand shoes. Using BuddyOn, she can get in touch with her friend to find out more about this highly anticipated product. While Tiffany is getting ready to go out, BuddyOn automatically syncs the updates she's made on her laptop with her mobile phone. Using Nokia's OVI navigation service, Tiffany is able to get directions to the nearest shopping mall. And let the shopping begin! BuddyOn uses indoor GPS technology to help Tiffany navigate to the nearest L store. This makes Tiffany's shopping experience much more efficient and purposeful, as she is less likely to be distracted by the myriad of products around her. While Tiffany is busy buying clothes for herself, BuddyOn politely reminds her that it is her boyfriend's birthday and that she should not forget to buy a gift for him as well. Tiffany finds a couple of potential gifts for her boyfriend, but is unsure of which one to pick. Instead of deciding by herself, she snaps some photos and posts them on her BuddyOn account, allowing her friends to provide input on which one to choose. After a quick tally of votes, Tiffany arrives at a decision. she goes for the necklace. Maybe I should figure out what it looks like on his profile picture and see if it suits him. I'm still not sure. I wonder what my friends think. Oh yay, they approve! BuddyOn changes the way people shop. By allowing friends to provide instant feedback on new posts, BuddyOn transforms shopping into an interactive experience. Tiffany goes to the checkout counter, and her new purchases are updated onto her BuddyOn account. It's time for lunch! BuddyOn provides Tiffany with a list of local restaurant recommendations based on a popular Chinese listing site. As lunch lines may be long, BuddyOn can also inform Tiffany of the queuing traffic at each of the recommended restaurants. While she's waiting for her number to be called, Tiffany opens up BuddyOn and finds that several of her friends have just checked into one of the restaurants. She contacts them and they meet up for lunch. Hey guys!
Hi, Tiffany.
Hey, what's up?
Good. I'm just waiting for you.
Cool! Oh, what's this? A special group deal for karaoke! Now Tiffany does 3 things. She subscribes to the offer, shares it with her friends by posting it on her BuddyOn account, and creates a new social event which she can invite her friends to. If Tiffany and her friends decide to go Dutch, they put their phones together, and OnSplit automatically calculates the contribution of each individual, taking into account differing levels of discounts among the group. Every time Tiffany uses OnSplit, her dining rating increases. This allows her to receive even greater discounts, making her an even more popular dining companion among her social groups. This promotes further social interaction between young people. BuddyOn's reward system encourages people to use their mobile phones more frequently. This allows Nokia to gather more user data, enabling a better understanding of its clients' needs and interests. As she's coming back from karaoke, Tiffany notices that several of her friends have commented on her purchases during the day. Ooh, nice legs, Tiffany. Are those heels too high? You might trip. Not only does BuddyOn provide the young generation with a more integrated and convenient tool for social networking, but it also benefits Nokia's business model by allowing for more opportunities to collect user data. Tiffany's friend on Facebook is impressed by the features that BuddyOn provides. He asks her how she's able to show her new purchases so quickly online. She shares Nokia's BuddyOn with him and all of her friends. Now everyone can use BuddyOn. Let's BuddyOn!